Sir, yung identity ng gunman?
Sa ngayon, hanggang ngayon, so far wala pa. But we're doing effort now at nandun tayo sa area. Doon yung mga operatives natin are asking from house to house na sana ma-identify natin itong taong na to.
Any confirmation dun sa nationality, sir? If he's Filipino ba talaga?
Until now, hindi. No? But alam natin is marunong siya magtagalog according to the taxi driver. No? So pwede ka naman kasing foreigner if you be staying here for a long time already, baka diretso ka na rin magtagalog. And when you talk in English, para kang Amerikano. No? So pwede kasing ganun eh.
So yung pagkuha ng DNA sa kanya?
That was done by Soko.
So tapos na siya, sir?
Yeah, it's already finished. Ginawa yan ng Soko when they process the crime scene.
So ilang araw yung timeline niya, sir, for...
The crime lab is capable of DNA testing na. Meron ng alam kong capability yan. So we don't have to ask any agency to help us.
Sir, may liability ba yung resorts for?
Well, we really don't know. That should come out with the probably yes, of course, no. Parang with 37 casualties. I think civil, siguradong civil liability most probably talagang nandyan na yan, no. Nandyan na yan. Yung criminal liability, that depends dun sa mga relatives and relatives ng mga victims if they'll be filing a case against the management of and we're glad to help kung talagang magpa-file sila ng kaso.
May
Of course, we'll
nag-express
assist
na po
them.
ba, sir?
So far, wala pa.